What is the real meaning of saffron in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of saffron dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see saffron in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity and an upcoming good time in which you will make huge progress in every aspect of life very easily. As well as this dream also suggests that you are going to get any kind of good news or divine inspiration or plan which you have been waiting for a long time that will give you tremendous success in the coming future. Now number 2, if you see saffron flowers in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication in the form of success with financial gain. Now number 3, if you see cooking something with saffron like any kind of sweets or dishes in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates success in any work, project or planning due to your skills, knowledge and creativity in life. So to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to set some big goals according to priority in real life. Now number 4, if you see eating or drinking saffron in a dream, then it indicates easy success in any work, project or planning. As well as the dream also suggests the ending of life problems soon which have been bothering you for a long time. Now number 5, if you see applying saffron on your face, forehead or body in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates the ending of life problems, healing and spiritual awakening in the coming future. That will make you more powerful and happier person in real life. Now number 6, if you see buying saffron in a dream, then it indicates progress, success and financial gain from a business, job, etc. Or you are going to achieve something extraordinary in the coming future. Now number 7, if you see spilling saffron in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to change your plans before execution in life. Because you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands your attention and needs some corrections as soon as possible to get the desired results in real life.